Hey guys, welcome back to the Nifty Futures Public Trading Journal. Today is recording number 6. As always, this is my journey of documenting every trade publicly, focusing on process rather than believing in prediction. So let's quickly review whether I took a trade or not, and later at the end of this video we will discuss the market levels for tomorrow. So I hope you guys are able to see my trading view chart. So the levels that you see are the levels which we had already drawn for today's market session. So I hope you guys are able to see my cursor. So I entered somewhere around here at this level when the breakdown happened. So this support level that we had drawn worked wonders, because this support turned out to be resistance, and this small support, like an intraday support on smaller time frame, when it did break, I immediately entered into the trade. And my initial target was, if you see, like this support, and if this support breaks, then it could be a bigger support, but my initial target was around this support, which is 24,000. So I ended up capturing 53 Nifty futures points, which translated roughly into 3,400 gross profit, and after STT, GST and other charges, the net profit was around 2,500. Okay, let me just quickly show you the journaled trade. So it was trade number 4. I entered into a short, as I did show. I entered around spot of 24,050. I'll quickly show you the spot again. So yeah, on the around this level I entered. So the futures were trading at around 24,055, and I ended up at around the support that I had shown, which is like this. So that's where we had a spot of 23,985, and future exit was around 24,000. So I ended up capturing 53 points. As you see, again, the shocking part is the STT, which is close to 800 rupees, and then the GST was 17 rupees, and other charges including brokerage and everything turns out to be 927. So the net was around 2,500, but overall I was happy with the trade that I took. And as I had explained earlier, every trade now goes through my trading journal. Before entering, I score the setup based on trend, structure, level, type of entry, risk, reward. And then if the process isn't good enough, I simply don't take the trade. But as you can see, the process internally captured a score of 7.75. So not grade A, but a trade that we can definitely enter. So it was a good trade, and I even captured the chart as well. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the same chart, right? That I also captured. Now let's move to the trading view chart and quickly mark down levels for 30th of June, which is tomorrow. So now this is going to be a crucial support in tomorrow's session, which is around 9:30. Then this will act as a resistance tomorrow. So it's a short around 923, 983. I'll keep this resistance as it is. This is a bigger support. Then let's see. We have another resistance here, which is now around 24,015. Okay, and let's see. I'll quickly move to another this resistance as well, which is 24,118. I'll move this support down here, which is 23,885, and then we have 23,790. So let's have the levels quickly reviewed. So this is going to be 24,117, one resistance. Then we have 24,016. Then we have another quick resistance, which is 23,984. Then we have first support around 23,920, which was sort of the support that today's ending session took. Then we have another support around 23,884, and then we have a major support around 23,800. So these are going to be levels. I'll put them on thumbnails. I hope you guys are liking how I'm journaling my trades, scoring it. In future videos, I'll also explain what is the process score, how the logic is calculated. So stay tuned, and hopefully you liked the video. So let's now meet tomorrow for tomorrow's session. And thank you for listening in, guys. Thank you so much.